Hi everyone, I'm Angela, and along with my friend Norma, we're Pretty Plate Jewelry. Started making jewelry a couple years back and we really enjoy it and have a good time. A while ago I posted a skull necklace that I had made and somebody asked me how I made it, so I wanted to show you a little run through today on how I do that. Before I begin, I just want to let you know that when I work, I wear an apron, I wear a respirator mask, and I wear a face shield, because when you cut your tray on your bandsaw, little pieces shoot out at you and they hurt, and just to be safe. So I take my tray, I cut the center out. Once I have the center cut out, I come over here to my hydraulic press. I take my stamp, my pancake die, I put it with the pattern facing up so that when I stamp it out, if there's a burr on the outside edge, it doesn't affect the front piece. So you put it in your hydraulic press. Everybody probably knows how to do this, but I'll just go through it quick. I have this on here so that you don't have to constantly pump all the way back down again. It just saves it from having to be so far with your press. So that's it. Just turn it a little bit, let it come up a bit, and then I turn it so that I don't have to press so far every time. So here we are, came out, but then it gets a little stuck in the pancake die. So I come over here, just give it a little whack, and it comes right out. So once you have this piece, you can come over to the grinder, grind off the little edge down here, and then I take it over here and I grind off just the little burr edge so it's nice and smooth. Once I have that all done, I come back over here and I take my little homemade template that I made and I take my paint pen and I just draw on where I'm going to place the eyes and the nose and the little headband. So once that's done, I take my, I forgot what this is called again, hole punch.
Center punch.
Center punch, thank you. And I punch each of the dots so that when you go to use your drill bit doesn't run around, it sinks into that hole. So I put 2 holes, one in the center of the eye, 3 in the nose, and 1 on the outside of the eye. I take that over here, I drill all of my holes into the headband. Then when I'm done with that, I take it, switch out my drill bit, and I drill the holes in the center of the eyes, and then the 3 holes in the nose. Switch my drill bit again, and then I drill and get the majority of the material in the eye out. Once you're done with that...
And how do you decide what size drill bits you want?
I just eyeball it.
Based on your pattern.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this is what you end up with. So once we're to this point, then we will go upstairs to my other workroom. Hi, so now we are up in my studio where I do my finishing work. And we have the skull that we drilled downstairs, and it has all the little rough edges on it. So what I do now is I take my Dremel with a titanium bit, and I take it and I drill out all of the excess pieces and smooth it out. I also turn it over. If I have any little burrs sticking out here, I'll just take those off also. Once I'm done with that, it'll look like this, nice and smooth. Looks like a nice skull face. And then I put it in this spoon because I like it to have a little curve to it. I know this isn't your standard tool, but it works for me. So I take it, just give it a little whack and give it a nice little curve. Once I've done that, then I go over here to my other work table and I take round-ended pins and I take them and I put in the beads, and it's just random. You just do it to what you think looks nice. Put it in there. When I do that, then I take it, flip it over. I cut the majority of the back off. And then I take this and I spin it and I turn it until it's all the way down to the back of the skull spoon bowl or piece. Turn it sideways, take this, pinch it, push it down. Once I have all the beads put in and it looks like this, I take it, I turn it over because I want it to be smooth and not catch and be rough for people. So then I take the resin. This is what I've found works for me. If anybody has an idea of something else, let me know, please, because I never did it before, so I'm just trying to kind of wing it. And so if there's a easier solution, I'd love to know. So I put on the resin, put it under the light, and then I'll just let this sit under the light in here till it cures. Once it's cured, then I take it out and I put a bail on it and a chain, and my necklace is complete. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching Pretty Plate Jewelry. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Thank you.